Kris, let's talk about another challenge in the workplace today. You know, these cell phones, these personal devices have become a way of life. And in your shop, how do you deal with that personal use versus that on-the-job use that sometimes is necessary?
You know, I think I'm still figuring it out. You know, I know I'm still figuring it out. You know, we ask a lot of our technicians, right, and our staff and our team to use their phones to document things and to take photos for uploads and the different apps that they have. But, you know, finding that balance, making sure they're actually doing that and not just, you know, doing other stuff on their phones.
Yeah, it's tough. It's tough because today, you know, everyone is so accessible. You want to be accessible to your family and that type of thing. And we understand that. You know, at the same time, if you're hanging out on social media, you know, and not contributing, that's a whole other story. So we've tried to just create the awareness and you know, make sure that, you know, people understand that if they have to make a personal call for family situation or whatever it might be, sometimes it's better just to step out and off the field of play, if you will, off the shop floor and go make that call and then come back in. In our world, they're using their cell phones to actually do the quality checks and advance the vehicle, so it is part of their life. So it's really, really a tough thing to deal with.
Yeah, and like you said, like I don't know if there's really a right answer or way to solve it, but I think just, you know, having that awareness and bringing it up and saying, hey, look, guys, you know, this is what we expect. You know, we expect you to not be scrolling on your phone and to be helping out with the team and be respectful of everyone else.
Yeah, absolutely.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.